Alright, here we go. Today, I'm going to be working on my truck. I got a massive hole on the side here. It's pretty crunchy. And I'm going to be patching it up. Also, I got that. Looks like somebody fixed it with Bondo, but the Bondo came off. So I'm gonna try to make my truck last a little bit longer if I can. At least some of it. At least make it a little bit better. As you can see here, got all my stuff. I don't have a cordless drill working at the moment. So what I got is my APU right here, auxiliary power unit. It's just a car battery and a power inverter. And see the cord right there. Works pretty good. Wasn't gonna drain my truck battery. So, and I had to get these from a Napa. I got this undercoat and this bed armor, and this is gonna go on the outside, and this is gonna go. I'm gonna try to paint this on there before I put the panels on. So the panels right here, made them out of sheet metal. You can see I want it to look semi-decent, so I put notches here. That's where I'm gonna drill the holes and rivet the actual panels. I'm just gonna try to line it up as best as I can, and those put on, and I'll bed liner spray it. See how that works. Metal's kind of smooth. I hope that's not going to be an issue with the paint sticking. I probably should have washed those. I might actually have to do that. Wash all the oils and stuff off of it. And sand it maybe? That's what I got. Let's see if I can clean this up a bit. See what this wire wheel do. Make it, I don't actually know how much that's gonna do, but oh, that's a pretty crusty looking rust right there. See how that's just come off now. Gotta clean it up a little bit. Whew, that's a massive hole. Alright. So you can see I've just been spraying undercoat under this. Give it a little bit of fighting chance at least. It's not exactly Rust-Oleum, but you can see my speaker in there. Just chilling. Oh well. It's just gonna chill in there, I guess. Look at that. I just pull it right out, I guess. Fuck it. There's the locks that don't work. Can't even open this door. That's still wet. there. Good little spray. Hoping that'll keep the rust from traveling too far. Probably won't do much, but it's better than nothing. Alright. So I'm just gonna take this panel, line it up as best as I can, push it up as far as I can, try to make a first hole. I didn't plug this son of a bitch in there. Got power on my truck, power on my truck. So I got this little lip here that's gonna go up under there, and I'm just gonna rivet the rest. Let's see. Man, you gotta be careful. That shit's hot. I'm just gonna take my rivet gun. Put one in there. So now and this is gonna be a lot of riveting. Just trying to make it look neat as best as I can. This is gonna be a lot. Okay. Yeah, I think that'll work. It's not gonna be the prettiest, but old truck's not that pretty. I was hoping that the bed liner, when I coat it, it'll look fine. So close to fine as you can get. So I just do it all now. So you can see now I've got all my holes drilled. These ones cut a little bit shallow. I hope that's not going to be an issue. I'm going to have to do those ones first. I think there's some metal in the way there. I don't know, maybe I can... maybe it'll be fine. I think it might be fine. Alright. Oh, rivet those up. Be right back. Well, there it is, all riveted up. I think it looks kind of cool if you close your eyes. But, yeah, try to get everything in line. And that kind of makes it look more neat. But that's that. I hammered this over a little bit with the back of this. The back of this. A little bit to give it a little bit more curve. Probably have to open the door and do it to that right there. Let's see here. Just see how it can hammer over a little bit. There you go. That's what that looks like. See about painting this stuff. Okay. Well, you can see now that it goes on really thick and it runs a lot. So, yeah. Either that or I just don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Which could be the case. But maybe when it dries it won't look so shitty. But I think it's gonna do the job. Yeah. I mean, you can see the owner before me had bed liner on it. I don't know if it's gonna stick to this metal. That might be an issue. I really should have prepped this metal better. thick. But yeah, it's pretty much a disaster right now. You can see it's dripping. I don't know. Fuck it, I guess. See when it's starting to dry, it's starting to look a little bit more matte. I just want to get in these little cracks. But I know it's just gonna run. This stuff was $11. I don't know. Time will tell. I'm gonna end up fucking having to repaint this at one point. We'll see how it holds up during the winter. There's mist stuff down here. It's dripping from up here. Whatever. So I'm starting to think it might have looked cooler if I would have actually just left it how it is. But the only problem with that is after this the sheet metal wears in a bit. This is a zinc coated, and it kind of inhibits rust a little bit. But the only problem with that is it does start to look kind of dingy after a while. So I mean, if that was like an aluminum panel, which that has its own separate problems, like two dissimilar metals touching each other, but I guess for now I just have to paint it. But this is the other side. It wasn't that bad, but the metal is a little deformed. I don't think that one actually got in there that good. Alright, I guess that is what it is. It's just an old rusty truck. Yeah, I'll come over here, show you what the other side's starting to look like. I mean, it's not that bad. Like it seems better from before, but it's definitely not a professional looking. I mean, that's why I tried to line all of the rivets up and make them spaced apart evenly so it doesn't just look like crap. But the running paint, as you can see, just kind of makes it look like crap. I don't know, maybe I can try a little bit better. I just trying to get extra right here because this is like almost through right here. It is what it is. It's Kevin's Adventures. I'm not really good at aesthetics either. I'm the kind of person that just makes things work. Aesthetics is really not my department at all, as you can see. But I try to pick good materials and just make it work, I guess. I wish I had somebody's help to paint this, because that running paint, I think it would have looked a lot better if that paint wasn't running. I don't know, maybe I can do a little bit better on the other side, but once again, it is what it is. You can see that that's what I believe that it should look like when you're painting it. It shouldn't be all filled in, because that's why it was running before. It should be kind of bubbly looking, which that's why this is all running, is because I tried to paint it until it was like smooth looking, and that did not work. As you can see, that it's just all runny. It just looks like like ass, like total ass. But whatever. But the other side looks a lot better, since you can see this side looks pretty good. It's still a little wet, so it looks like there's spots, but this side's gonna look so much better than the other side, which, I mean, I guess I don't really mind, because that was the worst side anyway. But yeah, that's what it looks like. You see this different colors, paint, whatever, you know. But, you know, it's gonna hopefully protect this side panel from getting eaten up anymore, and it'll keep wind out of my truck when it's winter out, which is mostly what I was worried about, was the wind, because in the wintertime it blows wind right up into the truck, because there's like a little storage place, and it just blows right in there. But and of course I got paint missing and stuff from here, which is also why I was trying to spray down thick so it would go in those little crevices. It's not perfect, but neither is this truck. It's not perfect, but neither is this truck. I mean, I really like how this side turned out, though. That looks kind of good. Like I said, I wish I could have just left it looking like that. If it was like a chrome or something, that would be kind of cool. If I could get like chrome sheet metal, that would have looked, I think that would have looked decent. It would have looked kind of cool, I think. I do have a problem with the metal being smooth. You can see it's like really thin right here. I'll probably let it dry a little bit and I'll give it another coat. And yeah, so it's just undercoat. That's what I sprayed on the metal before, under it. And this stuff, bed armor, that's what I'm using for the outside. So it's alright, I guess. Well, there's the finished product on that side. I'm actually pretty happy with that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.